Good morning, YouTube. Just wanted to put this out there. I didn't see too many videos on it. So I'm working on a 98 Cadillac Eldorado, and the driver's side rearview mirror went bad. Well, what I thought went bad, but turns out it ended up being the switch. So on the first switch, the driver mirror didn't work at all. So I swapped it with the junkyard mirror, still didn't work. So what I did was I went ahead and bought the switch that actually does the controlling part of it. That was working. It was controlling the left up and down on both mirrors, but not the right control function. Well, come to find out, when I tore it apart, which is not too hard to do, it's pretty simple. I could do a video on that later or something, but what happened is, on here, there's a power that feeds all these little switches. And on the right control switch, this one here, it wasn't getting any power. So what I had to do, I had to find my next good spot, which was right here. So I soldered a wire on it, ran it over here, and then I connected it to the power terminal for the switch. And because what happened was, right here, I don't know if you can see it, right there, the copper wore out. So it lost connection, which feeds the power strip here. And the reason it did that is this little piece here sits right on that and rubs it. So every time that thing's vibrating and moving around, it wore out that piece of copper, which it's probably going to do the same thing here eventually, but I mean, heck, the car is over 20 years old. Just a dumb design by GM, which I'm sure they probably fixed it later, but if you got to do a quick fix, that's what I did to fix it, to get power to it. And just wanted to show everybody that because I was losing my mind on it a little bit. And I don't believe they don't make new ones of these anymore, so it's kind of luck of the draw if you find one that actually works. So I hope this helps somebody, and catch you guys later.